Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy your Google AI Studio app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is open up aistudio.google.com and sign into your account. Now once we've signed in, we want to go ahead and click onto your apps tab on the top left hand corner of the page. Now this is where all of your apps that you've created inside of Google AI Studio. Now in order to deploy one, just go ahead and click into the app you would like to deploy. So I've got this one here. This is a smart weight loss tracking app. Now from here we want to go ahead and publish this. So on the top right hand corner we've got the publish settings. So go ahead and click onto publish. Now you should be on the publish tab. Then from here it will say what does publishing look like. So this is deploying your app. So basically your chat history and code will stay private. Your app will be accessible via a public URL and your API key will not be exposed in the app but will be used in the application. So go ahead and click on to get started. Now we've got a few different ways how we can publish this. So we want to publish this on Google Cloud. So we can go ahead and import project, create project, or choose a current project. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select a project. So I'm going to go ahead and select this test project. Now to deploy a project or an app, you need to have, what does it state here? It says this project does not have billing enabled. So in order to publish that under this project, please set up billing. Once billing is set up, click refresh to continue. So you might need to set up billing. So click on that little tab there. And now it's going to load the billing setup. So from here, just go through the prompts. So it's going to say set up your Google Cloud billing. So click on agree and continue. Then from here, we need to add our contact information. So add your name and address, payment method. So add contact information before continuing. And then your info is saved in payments profile and shared across the Google services. And then from here, click on finish account setup. Also, when you do sign up, you've got more for Gemini. So Gemini API's pay tiers give you higher rate limits, additional features, and also a $300 welcome credit, which is quite handy. So get $300 to try 150 plus Google Cloud products, including Cloud Run and Cloud Storage for 90 days, and also account management tools. So yeah, go ahead and click on finish account setup. And then once you do that, you can come back here, refresh, and then you can publish your application.